In order to use the calendar feature, select Calendar on the home screen. This calendar functions similar to a calendar on your email, where you can double-click to schedule something. So if I double-click on a date, I can give it a title. Let's say I just want to let everyone in my company know that there will be an audit on January 1st. It will repeat never, and I can say the description is that there is a Primus audit on farm and packing house. I have the ability to attach a log here and a site, but let's say that this is just an event. So we can hit save, and now you can see that everyone can see there is an audit on January 1st. However, if you're trying to schedule a log to appear, double-click on the date, give it a title, pre-harvest inspection. Let's say that we want it to repeat daily, and we want it to repeat every day, but stop on January 12th. The description will be that there is a pre-harvest inspection done daily on farm while harvesting. We then can select the log that's associated with this, which would be the pre-harvest inspection log, and we want it for Highland Farm. Select Save. Now you can see that there is a pre-harvest inspection scheduled for January 2nd all the way to January 12th. This log will automatically show up in the My Daily Log screen when it is time to fill that log out if you schedule it in the calendar. A good thing to schedule in the calendar would be things like your food safety committee meetings, your mock recalls, things like that you don't want to forget throughout the year so that you can be audit ready, and they will automatically generate in your My Daily Log section.